Hey guys, it's Rachel, the digital editor at NextHome, and I never thought I'd say this, but also today's food editor. In our last video, we did an unboxing of the Joule Oven AirFryer Pro from Breville, which you can watch by clicking the link somewhere on the screen. Today, come along with me in making some s'mores in a grilled cheese sandwich using the AirFryer Pro while following the guide found on their app. I want to see if using the app with the air fryer will make it easier for regular people like me to cook meals. In between, I'll give you my first impressions and let you know if this would be a worthy addition to your kitchen real estate. So without further ado, let's get started. So again, we'll just be making a simple recipe using the air fryer along with the app, and I'm going to start with making some s'mores. Here are all the ingredients you'll need to make one. We have 4 graham crackers, 4 pieces of semi-sweet chocolate, and 4 large marshmallows or 8 regular-sized ones. You can definitely add more or swap the chocolate for something else, perhaps Reese's peanut butter cups for my peanut butter lovers out there, even Oreos, or whatever bakes your cake. As for equipment to make this indoor s'more recipe, we'll only need the 33 cm pizza pan, which comes along in the package, so it's fairly simple and easy. Now that everything's ready, let's start by making the s'mores. So just following the guide on the app, step number 1, put the wire rack in position 4 and preheat the oven to 170 Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit. Step number 2, break the graham crackers in half if they're too big and put each half on top of the other. Step number 3, place them on the pizza pan and then put some chocolate and marshmallows on top. Finally, step number 4, once preheated, put the pan in the oven and using the app, start autopilot. So the oven seamlessly switches from bake to broil, toasting the crackers, melting the chocolate, and browning the marshmallows, getting them all nice and gooey and golden brown. So next up, let's try making some grilled cheese. For our grilled cheese sandwich, you'll need 15 grams of butter, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 2 slices of bread of your choice, I chose sourdough, and then 2 slices of cheese. Alright, now that everything is laid out, let's get right into making our grilled cheese.
Step number 1, make sure your butter is at room temperature.
Step number 2,
insert the wire rack into position 6 and preheat the oven to 220 Celsius.
Step number 3, mix the mayonnaise and mustard until well combined. Step number 4, spread the mayonnaise mixture on 1 slice of bread, add cheese, and then put the other slice of bread on top. Step number 5, coat the top and bottom of the sandwich with butter. Step number 6, when the oven is ready, put the pan in it and turn on autopilot. Now when the rotate reminder light comes on, flip the sandwich and keep cooking. Step number 7, check if the sandwich is ready. The bread should be a golden brown and the cheese should be well melted. If not, give it a little bit more time. And finally, step number 8,
gently cut the bread in half and enjoy.
Oh my goodness, I am so excited to try this out. Like, my mouth is already watering. I think it was a success. It's definitely golden brown at the top and bottom and nice and gooey in the middle, just the way I like it. Now for the moment of truth, let's take our first bite. So good. Do you hear that crunch? Oh man, so good. Just in time for lunch too. I took some time to let it cool down for just a little bit so I don't burn my mouth. So upon tasting this or biting into it, it was just like the perfect temperature. So what are my thoughts on the AirFryer Pro? Well, first off, the app's user experience design is excellent and I enjoy using it in tandem with the air fryer. I like how the ingredients were laid out and how there were icons to go with each one. The text for each step was clear and concise, so I had no trouble following along. And it's really unlikely to make a mistake because the app walks you through the entire procedure, step by step, with just the touch of a button. For such a technically advanced oven, I expected it to be difficult to use, especially as this is my first time taking it out of its packaging. Yet surprisingly, I had no trouble with it at all. I guess the only challenging part I encountered was probably when I was preheating the oven. I had trouble telling if I had reached the ideal temperature, so I wish they could make that more obvious. Same thing goes for the rotate reminder. So there's usually a timer on the app that shows how long to cook the food inside the oven. I wasn't entirely sure if I had to wait until the end of the timer or if I could flip the food halfway through the cooking process. So if they could maybe make the rotate reminder more obvious on the app as well, that would be perfect. But overall, the air fryer is an amazing addition to your kitchen real estate. In fact, I've already swapped my oven and microwave for the air fryer, so I'm excited to see what other complex meals I can prepare with it along with the app. I hope this video answers most of your questions about how to use the Joule Oven AirFryer Pro, the recipes you can make with this, and how to make them using the app. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos like this, then be sure to subscribe to our channel here at NextHome Canada, like this video, and also leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.